What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark. In this video, I will be going over some few updates, what's been going on with my YouTube channel, what I've been doing currently for the past month. And before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. People been asking me, basically, am I still doing digital products? What company I'm a part of? Just basically what I'm doing now. And to answer your question, I am still promoting digital products on autopilot, but I'm not promoting it, all right? I'm not pushing it, I'm not promoting it. I'm just basically sending them through an email campaign and letting the email campaign do all of the sales for me. Main focus now is Forex, okay? If you don't know about Forex, it's the foreign exchange market where you can basically trade currencies and earn money, okay? I've been in and out of Forex since last year, but now I'm finally taking it serious. Linked up with some genuine people that actually care about teaching people the skill and not getting them to join a team, not getting them to, buy different type of tools and all of this, all of those things that make Forex have a bad name. This video is not to recruit anybody. I'm simply not on the team, okay? I'm simply trading, learning the skill. So I don't have to get people to sign up. So I don't know about Forex. Like I said, I will be making some more videos on what I know. I'm not a guru, but y'all will be a part of my journey as I go. Okay, so if you want to start Forex, this is the time to get started because all of this knowledge is free. The group that I'm a part of, they give out signals, they give out value. Six-figure earners are inside this group and they all are giving away knowledge for free. We have Zoom calls. And basically, all it comes down to when it comes to Forex trading is coming up with a skill, being consistent, and not being greedy. Okay, that's the three things that I'm learning right now. Okay, so today I woke up 3 a.m. Okay, London session, which starts around 3 a.m., 4 a.m. Best time to trade for me is 3 a.m., 4 a.m. London session, and the market is moving very fast, all right, at this time. So I'm a scalper, so I like to get in and get out. This morning, not even 15 minutes in, all right, $100 been made. And then before 12 o'clock, $300 was made. I don't know about you, but if I can make 300 bucks a day before 12 o'clock, I could live off of that. But you have to be consistent. I'm brand new, I'm fresh out of the gate. I'm gonna take some L's. Everybody take L's in trading. Everybody will not be 100% on their trades, but what you want to focus on is a strategy that actually eliminates most of your losses. Okay, so the whole goal is to have way more wins than your losses, to be consistent, get a strategy that works, and stay with that strategy. Don't keep changing your strategy. Don't learn from one person and go to the next person and to do that, because all you're doing is wasting time. So I say that to say this: if you want to know about Forex for free, make sure you DM me. I could join you to a Telegram group. They go over different patterns. They go over different information inside the group where you could basically get for free that most people are paying to join the group. Now, I'm not bashing the group, not against that, but if you truly want to learn Forex, it's free. You don't have to pay no amount to get started with Forex. I took that route, okay? So we finna rock it out. Make sure that you like and subscribe to this video. Once again, that's the update. So you might see my whole YouTube turn into Forex and a lifestyle type of YouTube channel. It's still gonna be a make money channel because I will be going over different strategies and stuff that works for me for people that want to learn Forex. Also on my Instagram, things will be changing as well. Mostly Forex. It'll be mostly Forex. It'll be mostly lifestyle. I'm not currently going to be promoting. I'm not currently going to be promoting other business opportunities like MLMs or work from home opportunities as much. Like I said, I'm just running paid traffic, letting my email campaign do the work for me, my automatic system. But I'm not actually just out putting my face on the line, going hard every day for a company. Even though it's 100% commissions, I feel like if I can make $100 under 15 minutes, then I'm gonna learn a skill that can make me $1,000 under 15 minutes. All right. And the only difference between making $100 and $1,000 with the trade that I took was my lot size. And my lot size was, big enough, I could have made $1,000 under 15 minutes. And that's the whole point of Forex, is growing your account where you can take those trades. 10% a day. Don't go over 10% a day. Don't let nobody tell you different. Yes, you can make $500, $1,000 in a day, but starting off as a beginner, you really want to just shoot for at least $50 to $100 a day and just stop trading for the day and start the next day. What potentially happens is most people they'll make money, but they just not content. Greed to keep, tugging at them, and they'll jump back in the trade and end up losing the money that they made instead of being happy, being grateful for what they earned, and then the next day add that same energy to more trading and make more money. So that's basically what it's gonna come. That's basically what it comes down to, is good energy, being able to learn the strategy, read the charts, be confident in your trade. But I'm not gonna make this video too long. I just want to give you guys an update. I have not forgot about my YouTube channel. I've been really busy learning ins and outs of this trading, because this is a profitable skill that can make you millions of dollars just by pressing a button on your smartphone, buy or sell. So make sure that you stay tuned for more videos, all right, about Forex. Again, make at least $100 a day to keep the jobs away, guys. So stay tuned. Like I said, to the next video. Other than that, out.